We're a company that designs, supplies and installs audiovisual technology into hotels, into the public areas, the guest rooms, meeting room spaces that offer audiovisual presentations, music and guest room management systems for the lighting and air conditioning control to save energy and to give the guest a good experience. At&C originally started in 1987 and myself joined Paul Menton in 2009. At&C has a lot of technology partners, companies like Bose, Samsung, Crestron, AMX, and Lutron was another partner that we joined forces with when they bought out their hotel solution 10 years ago, and we've worked with them ever since to train ourselves on it, understand how it works and design and supply it. So At&C are what's known as an HTI, which is a Hotel Technology Integrator. It's a certification that Lutron give to companies that do the training, understanding the technology and being able to deliver it to the high standards that they set into high quality hotels. Here at One Hotel Mayfair, we came in at the early stages of the project and worked with the developer Crosstree to develop a GRMS solution for the guest rooms.
So it controls all of your lights, all of your temperature, it has some energy management features baked in, it ties into all of the hotel systems for guest comfort as well as sustainability. One Hotels as a brand is big on sustainability, hence the reason that At&C and Lutron got pulled in to partner up on this project. We also did a lot of the AVIT that you see in the meeting rooms and the audio for the restaurant, so it was quite a large project for us and I think probably an indicator of where At&C wants to be going in terms of the size, scale and complexity of the projects that we're capable of taking on. The project ran conception to completion probably very close to 2 years, from the whole sales process, the specification of Lutron through the delivery of the project. We took on all of the guest room management systems, we took on all of the AV, we did a lot of supplying of the networking and Wi-Fi systems. So one of the big points was the coordination of everything. It's quite a sizable project. I think it's almost about $2 million in AV. It was quite a challenge. We also did the CCTV. This project had a very, very good team on it. The client is actually very, very happy with it. Everybody has their challenges and their pain points and tough points on every project, but I think at the end everybody came out really happy.